Everyone wants to have more money. Could small daily habits be secretly keeping you broke? It feels so unfair, doesn't it? You work hard every day, but the money never seems enough. Many people think they need a bigger salary, but the real problem is often how they use the money they already have. You might be wasting without knowing it, or missing chances to grow your savings. This video is not about rich people. It is about normal people who want a better life. These mistakes hide in small routines and habits you don't even notice. Once you see them, you can take control and change your life step by step. Stay with us till the end, because we will show you 5 big money mistakes, how they trap you, and simple ways to fix them. By the time you finish watching, you will see your money in a completely new way. And the first step toward growing richer is ready to take. 1. Living to impress others. One of the biggest mistakes people make with money is spending it to look rich instead of becoming truly rich. Many people buy expensive phones that cost $900 or more, branded clothes that cost $150, $400, or meals at restaurants that are $50, $100 each. They do this to feel proud in front of friends or family. At first, it feels exciting to be noticed, and people may compliment them or admire them. That attention can make someone feel happy for a short time, but soon the joy fades. Their wallet becomes empty, and they feel a heavy weight in their heart. The stress of keeping up with appearances grows quietly. Real success does not come from what you show. It comes from saving money carefully, investing wisely, and making choices that bring long-term security. Millionaires do not spend money to look rich. They spend to stay free, safe, and confident in the future. Trying to impress others can make life confusing and sad. People start caring more about what others think than what they really need. They may buy things they do not like, just to get approval. To change this, focus on what makes you happy, not what makes others jealous. Buy things you enjoy and need, not things that show off. Learn to say no to extra spending, and remember, you do not have to explain your choices to anyone. When you stop buying for attention, your mind feels lighter, your heart feels freer, and your wallet feels stronger. You begin to feel true peace. Feeling calm and secure is much better than spending $2,000 on things that only impress others but do not give real happiness or freedom. 2. Ignoring where your money goes. Another big mistake is not knowing where your money goes. Many people spend money without thinking, buying small snacks for $2, $5, online games for $10, $30, or little daily treats that seem harmless but add up very quickly. By the end of the month, they are shocked when all their money is gone. It is not because they earn too little, it is because they spend without paying attention. They do not realize how small purchases add up to hundreds of dollars. Even rich people use budgets. They check every coin and write down every $1 or $10 they spend. Being aware of your money is a skill that makes life easier, reduces stress, and helps you feel in control. To fix this, start tracking every expense carefully. You can use a simple notebook or phone app to write down each purchase, even small ones like $3 for coffee or $20 for shoes. You do not need to be perfect. Honesty is more important than accuracy. When you see clearly where your money is going, you can stop unnecessary spending and start saving for important things. Tracking your money helps you feel strong and confident because you understand your financial choices. After a few months, saving 10 to 20% of your income will feel natural and easy. Money stays with those who watch it carefully. When you respect your money and know exactly how you use it, it stays with you and helps you live a calmer, happier life. 3. Thinking. Saving is enough. Many people believe that just saving money is enough to become rich. They put a small amount aside every month and feel safe, thinking that this is enough for the future. But saving alone cannot make you wealthy anymore. Money sitting in a bank loses value over time because prices increase every year. What $500 could buy today may cost $550 or more next year. This can make people feel frustrated, anxious, and stuck. They work hard, save carefully, and still feel like they are not moving forward. True wealth comes when your money works for you instead of just sitting idle in the bank. Without growth, savings alone may never be enough to achieve big dreams, buy a house, or feel financially free. To fix this, continue saving, but also learn small and safe ways to grow your money. You could invest in company shares starting at $50, mutual funds, or even learn a skill that increases your income later. Small steps taken consistently over months and years can grow into a large amount. Investing teaches you to think differently about money and makes you more confident in planning for the future. Saving gives you safety, but investing allows your money to grow and create opportunities. When you combine both, you feel stronger, more secure, and ready to take bigger steps in life. You begin to enjoy life without worrying constantly about money. 4. Not having an emergency fund. Many people stay broke because they do not have an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable and unexpected expenses happen all the time. It could be a medical bill, a car repair, or even losing a job. Without money set aside, people panic and may borrow at high interest rates. This creates a cycle of debt that is very hard to escape. Living paycheck to paycheck feels stressful. Even small problems seem huge, and fear about money can affect happiness, sleep, and confidence. Constant worry about emergencies can make people feel trapped, anxious, and powerless. To fix this, start saving a small part of your income every month just for emergencies. Even $50, $100 a month is enough to start building a safety net. Keep this money separate from your daily spending. Slowly build it until it can cover at least 3 months of your basic needs. This emergency fund gives you peace of mind and protection when life surprises you. Having it makes you feel strong and confident, knowing you can face problems without panic. Even small emergencies will not ruin your life anymore. An emergency fund is more than money. It is security, freedom, and emotional comfort that allows you to live without constant fear. 5. Avoiding learning about money. One big reason people remain broke is that they avoid learning about money. Many think it is boring, too hard, or not important. They believe earning more money is enough, but they never learn how to manage it, grow it, or protect it. Because of this, they spend most of their life working for money instead of letting money work for them. Even people who earn well can feel poor if they do not understand how money works. This lack of knowledge can make them feel anxious, stressed, and powerless. Not knowing how to handle money creates fear and prevents people from feeling in control of their lives. To fix this, start learning about money in small and simple steps. Read easy books, watch short videos, or follow trusted guides about saving, investing, and planning your finances. You do not need to become an expert, but understanding the basics will help you make smarter choices and avoid costly mistakes. The more you learn, the more confident you feel about handling money. Learning about money is like learning a new language. It helps you understand the world and plan for a better life. Knowledge transforms fear into power. The smarter you get about money, the stronger and more secure your future becomes, and the more control you have over your life. So, which of these money mistakes are you ready to fix first? Write it down, make a plan, and begin today. Don't wait for the perfect time. Make this the perfect moment. You have the power to change your financial story one step at a time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos that help you live smarter and better. Share this with someone who needs a little push to take control of their money. Together we can learn to build a stronger, freer, and wiser life. Remember, money can buy comfort, but knowledge and discipline build freedom. Start your change today and let your future self thank you for it.